Hi, I'm Tom, Lead Tech Support Specialist. Now that Matt has walked us through tube setup, I will take over for HydroVu Basics. Now let's dive into things. For starters, HydroVu is not compatible with Internet Explorer. Please make sure you have installed on your personal computer and are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. The first thing you need to do is log into your HydroVu account. If you are the administrator, you should have received a Welcome to HydroVu email from support@hydrovu.com. Please search your spam or quarantine folder if you can't find it. Contact our helpful support team if the email is nowhere to be found. The welcome email has some key information to get you started. First is your username. Please type it in exactly as you see it entered in the email. Second is your password. This can be changed once you log into the account. Make sure you enter the URL correctly. This is at www.hydrovu.com. It cannot be accessed from the login on In-Situ's website. Here we are logged into our HydroVu account. If you have not deployed a telemetry device yet, then your account is going to look rather sparse and lonely. This tutorial is much more useful if you've already deployed a device. The first thing to note in this window when you first log into HydroVu is the map filter in the upper right corner. This is a very important feature of HydroVu. It allows you to zoom in on your locations. If your pin is not zoomed in on, then you will not see any of your data. By default, all locations show up in Colorado at our office for the first time. The naming convention is default-serial number of your instrument. Have no fear, all of these settings can be customized. You can move the pin to show up to the physical location of your actual device, and you can rename your instrument so that it shows up as you want it to. In this example, we see default-serial number of instrument. This is our level troll that's been reporting to this account. I'm zooming our map in, and it shows up right exactly where our office is. This is what happens with every instrument for the first time when it shows up in HydroVu. Below the map filter is projects and labels. We won't touch on these in this tutorial, but this allows for further filtering. Over to the left margin, we started off logging into the data section of HydroVu. This allows us to see data coming back from the instrument. In this case, we have pressure, temperature, and elevation. Units can be changed here. Parameters can be deselected so that you only see what you wish to, and you can move the date filter so that you see the desired time. We recommend leaving it on show last 7 days so that every time you log into your account, you see the most recent data. Moving down the left-hand margin is locations. This is the location administration. In location administration, you can change the name of your devices. To do this, double-click on the default-serial number. It highlights the text and simply type in your desired name. Hit enter, and it saves it. Moving over to the GPS column, we can do the same thing by double-clicking. A mini-map pops up, and we have 3 choices. We could type in the search box a physical address. We can zoom in on the map to choose the location, and right-click to drop a pin, or we could type in the coordinates if we know them. Make sure you hit the Save button before proceeding. That's all there is to logging into HydroVu for the first time in basic setup. Please check out our other HydroVu videos to learn more.